Hi, I'm Dustin Lemick, founder and CEO of BriteCo. And if you've ever picked up a pair of cufflinks and thought, wait, how do I actually get these on? You're not alone. Cufflinks look simple, but if you've never worn them before, they can be confusing fast. So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to put on cufflinks step by step, plus a few tips to make sure they stay secure and look great. First, let's make sure you've got the right shirt. Cufflinks only work with dress shirts that have French cuffs or double cuffs. Instead of a button, these cuffs have holes on both sides that line up when folded back. If your shirt has buttons, cufflinks won't work with it. Before you put them on, it helps to know what you're working with. Most cufflinks have a decorative front, a post that goes through the cuff, and a backing that secures it. The most common type is a bullet back cufflink, which has a small bar that flips into place. Here's how to actually put them on. First, fold your cuff back so the holes line up. Next, hold the cuff together with one hand. Then insert the cufflink through both holes from the outside in. Once it's through, secure the backing, usually by flipping the bar into place. And that's it, you're locked in. Repeat on the other side and you're good to go. A few quick things to avoid. First, don't force the cufflink through misaligned holes. That can certainly damage the fabric. Second, make sure the decorative side is facing outward. Sounds obvious, but it happens all the time. And third, double check the backing is secure. The last thing you want is losing a cufflink halfway through an event. Cufflinks are a small detail, but they make a big difference. They're a great way to add personality, whether you go classic, modern, or something totally unique. If you're wearing a watch or other accessories, try to keep metals consistent for a clean, put-together look. Cufflinks might seem complicated at first, but once you've done it once or twice, it becomes second nature. And if you're investing in pieces like cufflinks or other jewelry, it's worth making sure they're protected. With BriteCo jewelry insurance, you can get covered in under 60 seconds for loss, theft, damage, and even mysterious disappearance. So you can wear your pieces with confidence. Check the link below to get your quote and follow for more tips just like this.